Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install MetaTrader 4 on a PC or laptop. All right, so let's begin with the video. For the first step, open any of your browsers and simply search for MetaTrader 4. Here, find the official website of MetaTrader. You can open it, and to download MetaTrader 4, you will be on the MetaTrader 5 page. Click on MetaTrader 4 from here. At the bottom, you'll find your operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Android. You can select the one you are using. I'm selecting Windows. Click on Download MetaTrader 4 for Windows, select the location, and click Save. It will start downloading. After downloading, you have to install it. Click on Open and then click Next. It will start installing, and after installation, you can use MetaTrader 4. So that's basically how you can download and install MetaTrader 4 on a PC or laptop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.